This video just shows what the final project's supposed to do. If you power up the unit and you program it using the project file that is on Web Studies, you will essentially see this. You will see a flashing light there, which is the heartbeat at 1 Hertz, and you'll see zeros. And what we're going to do in this project is we're going to build a UART, and we're going to use the leftmost 7-segment displays. That is, those two will be the byte that is transmitted, and those two will be the byte that is received. So that'll be the transmitting UART data. This will be the receiving UART's data there. So let me just demonstrate to you what I expect to see. And this part that I'm showing you now is already programmed when you get the project. It's just showing, just want to block the light there. That just shows you what byte is being set on the switches. And then if you want to transmit it, you press button 1. Button 1 will make that byte there transmit on the UART line. And what I have there is a short circuit using a jumper on those 2 pins of the general IO 0, and that makes the transmitted byte go through that line into the receiver, and the receiver then displays it here. So when I press button 2, it shows it's been received, and what I do then is, you can see LED 6 has lit up, because LED 6 is my data ready bit. So I can then acknowledge it, which means I can send another bit, or rather another byte, using button 1. There we go, and the data ready goes high again. LED 8 and 9, or 8 and 7, is supposed to show start bit error as well as your parity error, I believe, or start bit error and your parity error, and then button 0 is supposed to perform a reset. So button 0 resets the received bit or received byte to 0, and it also clears whatever was hanging about in your errors or in the data ready segment. So just to show that it works, what we will do is we'll remove your jumper, and obviously now, because the jumper is not in, this must not be received. You can see I'm transmitting, it doesn't receive anything. It's only when I replace the jumper, so there you go, it's only when I replace the jumper that the transmission goes through. What you can now do is you can connect your oscilloscope onto that point there, and then you should be able to measure what comes through, and that'll help you to debug your circuit as well.